Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import a scene on OBS. First of all, and of course you'll need OBS on your desktop or PC or whatever. If you don't have that, just go to any browser you have, then type download OBS latest version, go download it at any system you are working with, maybe Windows, Linux or even Mac. Then after downloading it, just go set up your OBS, launch it, and let's get started. So first of all, if you want to import a scene on OBS, all you need to do is to have a scene first that you already exported. If you want to export a scene, just go here and click at the plus icon here, or go to scene collection and click at new. Do whatever of them. Name your scene here. Let me just name it test. And as you can see here, you can just go to scene collection again and click at export. They'll just ask you to choose the file location, name the file whatever you want, and save it. I already did that in a previous video, so all you need to do, just go watch it and come back to this video. So as we said, if we want to import our scene that we already exported, all you need to do, just go back to scene collection, go and click at import. Then all you need to do here is just look for three dots. As you can see, it's here, and click on them. Here, all you need to do, just type the file name that you already exported. Say for example, you forgot the file name. All you need to do, just scroll down at the file location that you already export your file on and search for whatever you exported. Here is it for me. All I need to do, just double click on it, and as you can see here, it's already here. If you want to add more scenes, all you need to do, just go here and click at add, and as you can see, you can add many, maybe if you do it in other location like documents or something. For me, I don't have other scenes exported, and maybe I want to import just this scene. After that, just go and click at import. As you can see, this scene will be imported. For me, it will not be imported because I already have it in scenes. But if I deleted that scene, if I import it again, it will appear here at my scenes. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.